Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the MAXDONE brand, their 400 watt laminator machine. It'll work for cold or hot laminates. Up to 12¼ inch is the width it'll handle up to. A3 size is typically 12¼ or less, or 12. And it has an ABS jam remove button on the back we're going to show, and it includes 30 laminated pouches, which is great. In the back right here, we're going to be testing one of those pouches out. The company provides a 1-year warranty on this product, and it gets great ratings on Amazon. So this machine is about 16.85 by 4.8 by 2.56 and uses a standard US plug, 120 volts, you can see right there. It'll consume 400 watts to heat the rollers up. It has a pretty fast heating up speed of 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll quickly laminate at 355 millimeters per minute, which is really fast. And so it'll save you time if you're doing a lot of laminations on a project. So as I mentioned, it has a hot and cold button. You have the hot and down direction there, and cold in the up direction. Cold requires special laminating sheets that have the glue essentially on there. This is also really quiet. It'll run less than 55 decibels at 1 meter away, so it's not going to make any noise when using it. Has a constant temperature control circuit in there that keeps it at 239 to 293 degrees, and it'll work with pretty thick plastic, 3 to 5 mil, 5 mil being the maximum. That's the thickness of it. This machine is extra wide, which is nice that you could do those larger sizes. Sometimes you have legal documents to laminate. This should be bubble free, and we should be all set to try. It also comes with a really nice little cutter that you can put paper in there, and you can slice paper, and it is calibrated in millimeters and inches, which is really nice. And this really cool edger, which is really handy so that you could cut little edges, rounded edges, on pieces of paper or cardboard. That's real handy. So you could round the edges of what you're going to do ahead of time so that it's less likely to roll up. So let me give you an example. Here's a recipe that I'm going to be laminating, and I'm going to curl the edge before I even laminate it, which is going to allow it to look a little more fancy and then not worry about that edge rolling up. And the laminator comes with an instruction manual which tells you how to operate the device, but it's really simple to use. So here I have it plugged in, 120 volts. It has a generous cord on there. It's about 5 feet long. Now we're going to put it in the hot position, and I can hear the roller going. If you listen closely, probably won't pick it up because it's so quiet. And you see right there the little hot symbol that comes on. If I block some of the studio light, you can see the little hot symbol on there, and we'll wait to see. It's going to change probably to another color. And if you look in the back right here, there is that anti-jamming button. What that's doing is that's lifting up the rollers so that you can pull a jam out of there. And that's real handy. These typically don't jam. This brand has a really good reputation for not jamming, but it's nice to have that option if you put something in at the wrong angle or something that's too thick. It's going to allow you to use that anti-jamming feature. Now I'm going to be laminating a 2-page recipe. We use this for recipes all the time. So one side has got the start of the recipe, the other side has the back. You can see I've got the little curved edges right there. So this would be a good test because this is extra thick, 2 pieces of paper, and I'm going to put it in the included laminating pouch that it came with. So it heated up pretty fast while I was just putting the recipe in the laminate. It heated up. I heard a clicking sound, and you can see that it went to green. Now it's ready for me to put the laminate through there. Make sure the power cord is not in the way. And then the input side right there is where you feed the document. So I'm just going to center it on the A4 part right there. And you can see what it's doing. It's pulling it in automatically. You can hear the mechanism there. Actually, you can't hear anything because it's very quiet. See the output right here. So that's it. You can see that was real time, so you get an idea of the time it took. You feel it's warm, but what it did is it laminated it. So it did really well to laminate those 2 sheets of paper on there for this recipe. That's what we typically use this for. So it works really good to laminate all your recipes that you have so that they're all the same size in your cupboard. Now once you've done one laminate, of course there's no waiting time now because it's still heated up, and if you're finished with it you can just put it in the off position in the center. But if you're doing multiple laminations, there's no wait up time because the unit is heated and it's going to maintain that internal temperature to get your lamination done successfully. So after testing, what do I think about the MAXDONE brand, their 400 watt laminator machine? I love this product. It works really well as I demonstrated. Cold or hot, extra wide A3 laminations on here, anti-jam button in the back. Just a nice simple product to use, and it's great. Comes with the cutter and the little rounded edger and those free extra sheets of laminate. So this is a cool product. It worked really well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thanks for watching.